this front. When I tell you my hair has not been this long in the front since like high school. Even then, I had like a little mushroom cut. Yeah, I done been through it with my hair. Good morning. Y'all, my eyes are a little puffy because I have sensitive eyes and my eyes do not close shut all the way when I'm getting my lashes done. So this is the aftermath. They'll normally be better by later today or tomorrow, but okay. It is, what time it is? It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to get ready to go to my hair appointment. We're still doing self-care, meaning things that make me happy, things that make me good. You know, everybody does self-care in different ways. You know, this is just some of the ways that I practice self-care on myself by doing things that I want to do. So I begin my hair done. I'm very excited. I will be going to Deco Arts. And if I'm saying it wrong, I'm going to correct myself and y'all will see the name. But she's actually from my hometown and she has a shop here within the area of Atlanta. And I'm excited. And I'll come back to you guys when I'm done with my morning routine and getting dressed and ready to head out. Good morning. All right, I'm running late. One thing my dad always taught me while in traffic, never get in front of an 18-wheeler or big truck, especially like they normally leave space for themselves to slow down and we naturally try to like get over like, ooh, I see an opportunity, but I've seen cars get in front of a big truck last minute. The truck ain't got enough time to slow down, like, whoa. So, you know, just be mindful when you're getting in front of any car at the last minute, but, you know, be specifically particular when you get in front of a big truck, 18-wheeler. You know what I mean? Like, just be cautious. Safe driving. I have my seatbelt. Yeah, I'm vlogging, but y'all see. We ain't going nowhere. But, okay. I just met my hairstylist. She's so cute. Oh my god, my first time kind of seeing her. Kind of seeing her in person. So I'm excited for that. She's so cute. I'm gonna show y'all the inside of stuff and how it looks, but the aesthetics is aesthetic. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. Y'all see my eyes? Lashes are beautiful. Eyes are horrendous. Let me add this granola. My boyfriend brought me a parfait for Chick-fil-A. Great.
Like them claws.
I need one of them beans.
If I see one, if I see one,
If I look good. I'm looking at it. I'm proud of me with this front. When I tell you my hair has not been this long in the front since like high school. Even then, I had like a little mushroom cut. Yeah, I done been through it with my hair. They be trying to hold it down.
okay. about that little name.
For sure.